Until now, our agent runs, and we wait for the final result. For a good user experience, you want to show output as it's being generated. LangGraph has built-in streaming support. Instead of app.invoke, use app.stream. This returns an iterator that yields events as the graph executes. There are two useful stream modes. Stream mode values gives you the full state after every node completes. You can show the user what the agent just did. Search for jobs, found 5 results. Stream mode messages gives you individual tokens as the LLM generates them. This is what ChatGPT does. Words appear one by one as they're generated. Let me show you both. With stream mode messages, you get streaming events from the LLM. Check the event type for message chunk, then print the delta text. This gives you the typewriter effect users expect. For the job search agent, we'll use both. Stream the search results as they come in using values mode. Then stream the cover letter generation using messages mode. The user sees the agent working in real time, not just a loading spinner. Here's the code. It's almost identical to Invoke, just loop over the stream. Next and final build video, the capstone. We assemble everything into the full job search agent and deploy it.